Hey, what's up, guys? Jeff Cowboy here. Today, my friend just got this nice Mercedes E350, and he brought it out so we can check it out here and there, check some few things, but we couldn't find the hood release location. But after doing some research, we found it eventually, and we wanted to see a few things on the hood. So I I thought somebody else somewhere is also struggling with the hood release location, and therefore that's why I'm doing this video. The hood release location on Mercedes E350 or any of those series. Normally on a regular car, the hood release will be located somewhere here, or at least somewhere that is visible. Right here, all I see is a foot brake release right there, and the other thing I could find here is a trunk release, which is located right here by the door. That is the trunk release. So the on a Mercedes Benz 2014 hood release latch was hidden somewhere, and I'm about to show you. So if you come here right below the brake release, you will see something red right there, and that is the hood release lever right there. You just pop it out like that, and boom. And it's from this angle, it's difficult to see it, and you can't even tell it's a hood release from that angle. Once you release that lever, you come here, and I'll show you. There is another lever right here that you just lift it up just like this. You see that little lever right there, and then boom. That's how you release the hood on 2014 Mercedes Benz E350. There we go. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Look at that massive V6 engine. Stay cool.